Hey, what's up, Grant? This is a quick demo video for you for your Sabertrio. So I'm doing my demo in my kitchen, old school today, because I'm doing a house project, and that's why it took me so long to get this demo to you. My garage is a mess. But anyway, just got this done this morning. Actually, I was waiting for the 16 millimeter switch to come in. I don't have any of these in stock because this is super huge compared to what I usually use. But this came in, got it installed. Let's go over it, right? You've got a Proffie V2 in here. You've got a CC Saber's LED pixels in there. This only opens one way from the pommel. So I made you a detachable chassis with Smuggler's Outpost pixel and switch PCBs. So we'll take this off. You can see your chassis right there. It'll slide right out, slides out super easy. You can see that, slides right into your hand, just like this. So what you've got in here that you may not be able to see, or you can see a little bit, there's a 14 pin PCB in there. That never moves. That is actually held in place with a piece of chassis that you'll never see. That it's an all-in-one chassis, so it holds that PCB. It also holds your pixel connector here, and it's set in with this grub screw right here. So you never want to mess with that guy. That was in the Saber already, so I utilized that to hold this piece in place. But what you will see is this chassis. So what you got here is it's a removable battery system. Spring side's your negative. That's your PCB plate that makes contact with those 14 pins. You've got your Proffie board here. This Proffie board came from CC Sabers as well. And then you've got a 28 millimeter Smuggler's Outpost speaker in here. Easy access to your micro USB slot right there, but you will need to lift the board up if you want to get to your SD card. It's easy to do. This board is just a press fit down into this shelf, so there's no glue or anything like that. It will pop up, and then you can do what you need to do, pop it back down, and then I put a Smuggler's Outpost emblem here, because you've got Smuggler's PCBs, speaker. I'm part of Smuggler's, so you got the whole Smuggler's package in this guy. Let's throw a battery in it. Remember, negative sides of your spring.
You like your
So it doesn't matter how you put this guy in here, as long as you put this PCB going this way. You can put it in here any old way you want, just like that. Slide her on in till it stops. It'll stop about right there. This is what actually pushes it into the pins and engages those pins, and then it keeps the chassis in place. So we'll tighten this all the way on. About the last thread or so, you'll feel it getting a little tight. That's engaging those pins and you know, making sure they're all contacting. So I gave you motion control. See how loud it is. See your LEDs lighting up like they should. I put a little tactile switch back here for your auxiliary. Then we can twist off, just like that. Man, this thing is loud. So you were asking me about it earlier today. This thing is one of the louder Sabers that I have installed. So hopefully you're happy with that sound quality. I know it was something that you were after. So I'm gonna put a full length blade in here. We're gonna lock down your blade retention. Your blade retention screw is right here. So that's what we'll use. And then this time we'll use the activation switch. Lighten up like it should. Flash on flash. I did give you battle mode. So when you hit the blade and keep it still, that initiates blade lockup. Just like that. Then when you pull away from it, it stops. And we tap our auxiliary. And then we can just tap the power to turn it off. And then to get to your sound fonts, what you want to do when the blade is off, just tap your auxiliary. We'll cycle through a few of these.
smooth, smooth grain, smooth fuzz. Teensy. Smooth, smooth, smooth.
See.
Teensy. Smooth.
Smooth swing's working really well. Blade lock up.
Come back here. Being an Inquisitor taught me no setback is too great. Being an Inquisitor taught me no setback is too great.
So we will we'll take this blade out. I think I'm pushing the speaker at about 2,000. You could probably go up a little higher. Maybe I have it at 2,200. It sounds really loud though. To take everything out, what we want to do is just unscrew this like we did before. Since you have motion controls while you're taking this chassis out, it might ignite on you, but that's okay. Slide it out. It didn't do it, so that's good. Slide it out. We'll just take our finger from the positive side and pop the battery out just like that. And there you go. It's as easy as that. And then we'll slide this guy back in for safekeeping to make sure it doesn't get ruined. And I'll slide this pommel back on. Just like that. So that is your Saber, sir. Let me know if you got any questions. If not, I will try to get this out to you in the mail tomorrow. Thanks.